Hello, and welcome to today's session, Surviving the Unexpected. I'm your host, Wayne Dixon, Business Development Manager with Transportation Federal Credit Union. Today, I'm also going to serve as your personal financial guide. So today's session, we're going to provide you with powerful tips to help you when life gives you an unexpected turn. The problem. Nearly 66% of Americans carry debt, such as mortgages, car loans, student loans, and credit cards. Beyond job loss, accidents and unexpected deaths are the leading cause of financial catastrophe. Debt is common, but the bigger issue is cash flow. When an emergency hits, many people do not have enough readily available to cover without turning to credit. This is how a temporary setback can quickly become a long-term financial burden. Build your emergency fund. A strong emergency fund starts with a simple habit. Save automatically. The long-term goal is to save between 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. But you do not have to reach this all at once. Start where you can and build consistently. One easy way to do that is to set up an automatic transfer into a separate savings account. Our Momentum Savings Account can be a helpful place to build that cushion, offering 1% APY on balances up to $100,000. For everyday spending, our Accelerate Checking Account, which earns 4% APY on balances up to $25,000, can help you manage cash flow more effectively while keeping your savings separate and protected. Strengthen your cushion. Lower expensive debt. One of the fastest ways to create breathing room in your budget is to reduce high interest debt. If you are carrying a balance on your credit cards, lowering the interest rates can free up money each month that can go towards saving and other essentials. For example, moving a high rate balance to a lower fixed rate option can reduce interest costs and help you pay down debt faster. Automate what matters. Automating bills and savings can reduce stress and prevent costly mistakes. When payments go out on time, you avoid late fees and protect your credit. When saving transfers happen automatically, you build progress without having to think about it every month. You can also use online and mobile banking to set balance alerts, deposit alerts, and withdrawal alerts so you know when activity in your account reaches the level you choose. Small tools like this can help you stay in control before a problem grows. When debt feels overwhelming, talk to us. If debt has already become difficult to manage, you do not have to figure it out alone. Credit unions were created to serve, and we are here to help with practical solutions. We offer competitive rates and flexible payment options designed to help you gain control, reduce stress, and keep moving forward. It's never too late to start saving and reducing debt. For the past 85 years, Transportation Federal Credit Union's mission is to help our members achieve financial success. Today, we currently serve well over 15,000 members nationwide. Now, whether you're a passenger or employee of any mode of transportation, we are here to serve you. Now, to open an account, all you have to do is scan our QR code, or you can visit us at transfcu.org, or you can call us at 202-366-9400. Thank you, stay safe, and we'll see you next time.